While in a seated position, open the ice wrap and place ankle inside. Wrap the inner section of the gel pack over the top of the ankle to provide full coverage, then secure the outer brace with the strap. Turn the valve to open and begin pumping to the desired compression. Turn the air valve to close to lock in the desired compression level and prevent any air leakage during use. During use, you may remove the hose by setting the air valve to close and detaching. Alternatively, you may use the included small strap to keep the hose secured during use. Thank you for your purchase. ViveHealth. Let's live better.